Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to send multiple videos with a comment in Instagram chats using your PC thanks to the latest update. First, open your browser and head over to Instagram. Log into your account as you normally would. Once you're in, look to the left side of your screen for the menu and click on the Messages icon. This will open up your direct messages. Now, find the chat where you want to send your videos. Click on that conversation to open it. At the bottom of the chat window, you'll see a message bar. Next to it, there's a small photo icon. Click on it. A file picker window will pop up. Here, select the first video you want to send and click Open. Don't worry, you're not limited to just one video. After you've chosen your first video, you'll see an option that says Upload another photo, choose video. Click this, and you can keep adding more videos from your computer, one at a time. Once all your videos are uploaded and appear in the message bar, it's time to add your text. Type your comment or message in the text box. This will be sent along with your videos. Double-check everything to make sure you've included all the videos you want and that your message is just right. When you're ready, click Send. Your selected videos, along with your text, will be delivered together in the chat. The recipient will see all the videos and your comment in a single message, making your conversation more engaging and personal. That's it. With this new Instagram update, sharing multiple videos with a comment in your chats from your PC is quick and simple. Try it out the next time you want to share memories, updates, or just something fun with your friends or followers. Thanks for watching, and enjoy making your Instagram messages more dynamic.